In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the pin from your Windows 10 login screen. The method I'll show you today works every time, unlike some other methods that may have issues, so just follow along. What you need to do first is go to Start, then Open Settings. From there, go to Accounts. As you can see, this is my Microsoft account. Now click on Sign in with a local account instead, and then click Next. Here you'll need to enter your current PIN. After that, enter a username and leave the password fields blank if you don't want to use a password. However, you must type in a password hint, so just enter anything there. Then click Next and sign out and finish. Now, when I try to log in again, you'll see that Windows no longer asks for a PIN or password. Let me show you one more time. I'll lock the computer, and when I try to log back in, there's only a sign in button. Once I click on it, I can log in without entering any PIN or password. And that's how you can remove or disable the PIN from your Windows 10 laptop or desktop. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials.